Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, you can access one of your added passwords and click on the one that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method, and after selecting Edit button, change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!